So now we're kind of ready to go, but Henry woke up a bit too late. You may say we forgot to wake him up. I forgot to wake him up. So we're gonna wait for a couple minutes till he finishes his morning routine.
Yeah, because you didn't wake him up, he even missed his breakfast.
We're gonna give him a few bananas. So we found a way. We're gonna start climbing that direction, and we had to spend countless times trying to enter the community, and it was the wrong way. Now we found a way, and we're gonna start. Kane?
Yeah, wait a minute.
What time did you wake up today?
7.
7?
Yeah.
Did you wake up every morning at the same time?
Almost.
Wow.
Ish. 7-ish. Yeah.
Yeah, us too.
Yeah.
No,
Yes.
I'm 8. I'm 7. You are 8. So, like for you, that 7 get up every morning 7 o'clock is a habit.
Psychedelic party es buena sensación. Psychedelic party, eso sí es el soul. Psychedelic party, toda confusión.
应谨记小心防。
Psychedelic party, tú cada vez te vas.
What is written here?
They just said who built this and when is this thing built.
Ah, and when?
I don't know, I didn't read. We can actually walk across all the way to the other side.
So we start ascending. Woo! Did you warm up already?
Yeah, slowly.
Are you warming up?
Henry!
Henry!
加油 Henry! 加油
Psychedelic party, tú cada vez te vas. Psychedelic party, un poquito más. Psychedelic party, todo es el amor. Psychedelic party, como el del Señor.
How do you feel?
I feel great. I feel very refreshed.
How do you feel?
Crazy.
Never again this hike. Never again. Where are we?
We're only halfway. I think I have to go back.
Okay.
Wanna grasp it with words, but it's hard to understand. I just wanna do it, but can't do it, no. I wish I could make the yellow light, but it bruises my eyes. I wish I would prepare for the worst, but still be the first. I think I should make the yellow light, but it bruises my eyes. I wish I would prepare for the worst, but still be the first. I think I should. I think I should.
Wow.
Please,
Thank you.
please.
Are you really taking pictures of me eating noodles?
So steep. Let's try to make it now. And I know it's been done, but it's hard to understand. I just wanna do it, but couldn't.
Let's go.
I wish I could make the yellow light, but it bruises my eyes. I wish I would prepare for the worst, but still be the first. I think I should.
Limi, it's good for you. Yeah, good for you. What do you make? Are you shooting the video? Yes. I just wanted to try myself. Or not me. I freedom. I can't not take off too. And what? Hey, Mark.
Me. Will you marry me?
You're serious?
Yes.
You serious?
Yes.
I'm gonna go take a walk.
Not now. Can I ask one more time?
Limi, will you marry me?
Yes.
Oh.
Woohoo!
You miss everything.
Yes. Yoo-hoo! It's a beautiful night.
I'm dancing. Just imagine the world.
I think I wanna marry you. Is it the look in your
Henry! Woo! Yeah!
I don't care anymore about things I used to know. It's much harder now. Wanna grasp it with words, but it's hard to understand. I just wanna do it, but can't do it, no. I wish I could make the yellow light, but it bruises my eyes. I wish I would prepare for the worst, but still be the first. I think I should make the yellow light, but it bruises my eyes. I wish I would.
You looking good?
No, I'm not. I'm tired.
I think I should. I think I should.
We made it. We made it.
Made it.
We made it.
Yep.
Kane made it. We made it.
Where's my DD? All right, my hand wet.
Ah, bunkers.
My only response. Oh, is that him?
Yeah. Henry's leaving.
Oh, Henry! Oh, I need to go too.
I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to.